Quick video segment. I've seen a lot of people posting while I've been looking for things on the Chrysler 2.2 out of the PT Cruisers or the Dodge Neons. People who have said they're experiencing a sound of knocking in the top of the engine. Sounds like it's coming from the valve train. Well, as a lot of us experienced people know, that sound can actually travel from the bottom of the motor to sound like it's coming out of the top sometimes. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have a rod knock, because the symptoms that this does is it stays consistently tapping with like a metallic knocking sound in the top of the engine, but it does it regardless of whether you're throttling up or letting off the accelerator. So it doesn't exempt them exactly the sounds of a rod knock in the engine. Well, tearing down this 2.4, here's what I found in this. And this is kind of hard to see because I don't have really good light here on this at the moment. But if you look right inside there, behind this cover in the bottom, that's the chain drive that runs your balance shafts in the engine. Some people take these out. It's been debated whether you can run these without these or not, but listen to this sound. Sounds awful close to what you experience in the top end of the engine if you listen to it. And look at just how much play there is in that chain. That's quite a bit. Same thing with that side of it. Look at that. That's a lot of play in that chain right there. So I can almost bet that that's what that knocking in the top end of the engine is. As that chain's traveling around, it slacks up, tightens up on one side, gets loose on the other as those things resist to turning in their natural rotation. Just wanted to make a quick clip of that and let everybody see that, and you can judge for yourself by the sound of it.